Hi, my name's Lindsay with Great Northern Docks. I work in the sales department, and today we're checking out our new floating marina we just put in for the state of Maine in Rangeley. Follow me. So this floating marina currently has 4 slips. We're hoping to expand in the future. And we've got it anchored down, as you can see, with these standoff arms. We have 4 of them. They've got hitches that are mounted permanently into the seawall and then hitched off the dock. We also have a series of cross-chain and anchors for each finger to help hold things together. Here we have our standard floating hinge. It's got a steel pin, a black bushing, and a nice linch pin. The crew really is looking forward to uninstalling and reinstalling each year, was our feedback so far. The decking we have is Sunwalk. It's got a 12-year warranty. It's the most slip resistant, maintains the coolest temperature, and obviously very low maintenance. And it is plastic, it's not aluminum, so it definitely stays cool. The other decking you'll notice we have here on this sort of landing pad for our ramp is lumber rock. This is a great choice, more durable, gonna allow that ramp to slide back and forth as it might need to. The lumber rock product comes with a lifetime warranty, very popular in the marine industry. You can see we've got our ramp tied off with some ropes and snubbers. These rubber snubbers are going to allow that play while still keeping the ramp nice and centered and as taut as it needs to be. For tie-offs, we're using our 8-inch aluminum cast cleats. These work great with our aluminum frames. You won't have any chemical reaction like you might if you try to attach a galvanized cleat. So very important to go with these cleats that are made specifically for the Barrelite. For protection of the boat and the dock, we're utilizing our Guardian horizontal snap-on bumpers. These bad boys snap right onto the side of the dock, no permanent drilling needed. They can be relocated at any time. We're also utilizing the edge guard, which is essentially a rubber guard that gets permanently installed on the top side, wraps around that edge of the dock. And between the two, hopefully it protects the boat and the dock a very long time. So it's a great system. We're excited to have it come together here and looking forward to doing more work on this system in the future.